Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to create a birthday video in Google Gemini in just a few simple steps. Click the plus icon at the bottom left of your screen to open the Tools menu. Select Create Video from the menu. The Create Videos interface opens with a prompt box in the center. Click the plus icon inside the prompt box to attach your image. Click Upload Files from the menu that appears. A file picker opens. Select the image you want to animate. It appears as a thumbnail in the prompt box. Now, type your animation instructions. For this example, I'm requesting, animate this birthday cake. The candles light one by one, warm golden glow fills the room, slow camera push in, confetti drifting down in the foreground, cinematic, no text on screen. Click the Submit button. Gemini starts generating your video and you'll see a loading screen. Once the video is ready, it appears in the chat window. Click the play button to preview it. It's 2017, and you're sitting in your room again, browsing. This website is a forum for people who buy and sell usernames. A Save dialog opens. Click Save to download the video to your computer. Click Show in Folder to see your downloaded video file in your Downloads folder. The video file opens and you can play it back or share it. Be specific with your prompts. Mention lighting, camera movement, and atmosphere to get better results. If the animation doesn't match what you wanted, try rephrasing your instructions with more detail about timing and motion. Keep your prompts under 300 characters for best performance. Videos generate at 720p resolution and last around 5 seconds. You can regenerate as many times as you need until you get the result you're after. And that's how to create a birthday video in Google Gemini. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.